up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel. I would love it if you would subscribe. Welcome to this little US road trip vlog. So we left this morning really early and headed to the Borders, and we've been doing a little bit of shopping. So we went to Target this morning. We also went to Hollister, got a few things for Alex, like some really cute things for Alex. I didn't find anything at any like store for clothing items, but I did find some things at Target. I was so excited to show you guys. We're also gonna go to another Target. There's a Target really near the hotel, so we're gonna go to another Target, and I'll try to vlog more for you guys when we're there. But we were just so in the moment that like I didn't even think about vlogging, so very sorry about that, but I'll definitely do a haul of everything that we got. It's really late, like honestly you guys have been so bad at vlogging. It's 4:15. We're about to head to our hotel, and then we're gonna go eat at Olive Gardens for dinner. But I'm excited to get to the hotel, bring our stuff to the hotel room, and just like relax a little bit in the hotel. It's really loud also in the mall, so I'm excited for some quiet. But yeah, overall like we're having such a great trip. It's actually so warm here. It's like 20 degrees, so we're enjoying some really nice weather, but I do think it's raining right now. Like I think it started raining. When we got here it was super sunny, super nice outside, but I think it started raining maybe since we've gotten here. But yeah, I'll try doing a better job at vlogging for you guys from now on. But like I said, I'll do a little haul for you guys of everything that we got, and I will bring you guys along for the rest of the trip. We're also here with Amy, Bryce, and my brother Max, which I think you guys have seen at the beginning of this video. But yeah, we're just having a little weekend getaway, and we're having a lot of fun. Like honestly, so much fun. We were so thirsty, so we went to Starbucks to get some water. I feel like I haven't drank water all day. Like I needed water, so got some waters, and now we're just waiting for everyone to like group up so that we can leave and go to the hotel. And then we're probably just gonna take a few like minutes, I don't know how long, like probably 30 minutes up to an hour to just like relax. And then we're gonna go to Olive Garden. Amy has never been to Olive Garden, which is why we're going. Bryce likes our Olive Garden, my brother loves Olive Garden, and we're down with Olive Garden as well. Even though we've been so many times now. But I always like it. It's always like a good classic, you know? So excited to go eat dinner there. All right, we made it to the hotel. I'm gonna do a little room tour. We are 5, and we're so lucky. Like honestly, I'm so grateful that I found a hotel for not too expensive that fits 5 people. So let's do a little room tour. When we come in, we have a little dry bar situation right here, and with a little fridge, a microwave. Guys, there's a microwave, so if you guys don't finish your stuff at Olive Garden, you can microwave it. A fridge, and then we've got a couch right here, which I literally think, I feel like this is bigger than the queen size beds. Like this is a huge bed. Look at how large it is. So we're gonna pull that out. My cousin's gonna sleep on that. And then we've got a little desk area. We've got a TV. You guys, we can connect to like Prime Video and all of that, I think. Yeah, I like that. Oh my god, it says my name on the TV. I love that. I love when it has my name on the TV. And then we've got 2 queen size beds over there. Everyone is putting their stuff away. And then right here, we've got bathroom. And I just noticed we have a full length mirror. Love that for us. And then something that I really like is a big group who's like not like a family. We're all like friends staying together. Whereas if we were like, let's say mom, dad, and kids, that it wouldn't matter. But we've got this little section right here with a sink that someone can like get ready at right here. And then this is like the bathroom area with a bath with like the toilet and then the shower in a separate like room, which I think is so great for like people that are staying together but are not willing to like be taking a shower and then like doing their makeup at the same time. So that's our little room tour. We're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna head to Olive Garden. Made it to Olive Garden. I made us join the wait list. I'm just hoping that they didn't already call out our name because we're a little bit later, I feel. I didn't take note of the time that I put our names in the wait list. Pretty much exactly the time. You think? But they still could have called us. But I mean, we'll just go back in the wait list. We're not like starving, so it's fine. But I am hungry, so I'm excited to eat. Good morning, you guys. We are at breakfast. I'm gonna grab a plate and I'll show you guys the selection. They have a lot of really different yummy options, so I'll show you guys what I end up getting. You guys, they had the make your own little waffle place. And then I got like a cup with maple syrup. We got cream cheese because Alex is making a bagel. And then we've got some eggs and sausage. There's not like a huge selection, but everything that they have is like anyone would be good with what they have. So I feel like that's exactly what you need. You don't need a huge selection, you just need, yeah, exactly, that's what I was looking, that's the word I was looking for. Like, you just need the basics so that everyone has something to eat. I wanted to add that, oh my god, I'm kind of blurry. Yeah, sometimes it's blurry. I wanted to add that it's really cool.
Good morning, y'all.
Why are you not blurry? I wanted to add that there's a lot of different, I don't know if you've already said it, but there's like for the yogurts and for the oatmeal, like there's such a selection. There's like coconut, there's like brown sugar, there's like fruits too, like dried fruit. There's so cool. I think it's like 8 different toppings, which is crazy. Yeah, so lots of selection. Okay, we packed our stuff, we're out of the hotel, and we actually made it to a Trader Joe's. It's my first time going to a Trader Joe's, and I'm actually so excited to see what we are able to find. I've heard amazing thing about soup dumplings, so if we can find soup dumplings, we're getting soup dumplings, and then there's a whole bunch of other interesting foods. So very excited to see if we find anything, but I'm just excited to go to Trader Joe's for the first time. You guys, this Trader Joe's has so many great options. We have a huge haul. I'll show them our basket. We have like a whole bunch of things. We've got the gnocchis, we've got the soup dumplings, some dips, and the brown sugar creamer. I'm so excited. Like, they have such good options. I'll do like a full haul of everything that we get, but I'm actually so excited about everything that we actually found. You guys, we got our stuff from Trader Joe's. I'm so excited to try everything. I'll obviously try everything with you guys. But we got our bag. Alex is holding the bag right now, and it really wasn't that expensive, like only $23, and we got a lot of stuff. I think everything was on sale.
Ain't that the GPS?
Yeah, that looks really nice. Anyways, now I think we're headed to another Target, and then we'll see where the day takes us, but I'm really excited about everything we got. Literally everything I showed you guys in the store is what we ended up getting. All right, we made it to Target, and this is a huge Target. It's actually like really nice. I feel like it's nicer than the one that we were at yesterday, so I'm excited to see, and I'm gonna be more interactive with you guys this time so that I can really bring you guys along with our shopping. So let's get the shopping day started. I really want to find like a cute mug that I can bring back home. There's a few here, but they're not that cute, so I need to pick one. I just want one, and I want it to be like a spring vibe kind of mug. So like that's my goal today, and then we'll probably get a coffee before leaving. I really like this little table. I would put it in my entrance, and I feel like it would be so cute, but it is a little bit expensive, although I think it's so cute. Like, I would want this. What do you think? I would want this in my entrance.
It's literally gorgeous.
It's beautiful. I love the color, and there's like 4 drawers, so you can do a whole bunch of storage, and I like that it's not just like one huge drawer, you know? Yeah. Like, you have 4 of them, so they're like more shallow, or not more shallow. Is it more shallow? Is that the
like
yeah, I think it's more shallow.
I think it's not, but let me tell you, it's very aesthetically.
I love it. It would go so good in my apartment too. Like, I think it would be so cute.
The only thing, I feel like it's like the drawers aren't like,
yeah, well, someone didn't assemble it properly though.
I was gonna say, yeah, the doors are a bit rickety, but on that
yeah, but that you just have to assemble it properly. And then look at the baskets over here. Like these ones.
Yeah,
they're like so big, and they're so cute. Like, imagine with like cushions and like a big blanket in it. That would be so cute in the apartment. But I feel like I need to figure out like this overall style I want. And then plants. I want to get plants, and then cushions. I mean, decor, right? Like, honestly, what I'm looking for right now would be more like outdoor seating vibes. I feel like that would be fun for like our apartment, to have some outdoor seating. They don't have much. Oh, cute mugs. Let's go check out the mugs. Which vibe? We're deciding between Good Morning and Morning Beautiful, between these 2 cups.
I love the fact that it has more like on it, but I feel
yeah,
like
more detailing.
I feel like for you, I know that you like something that's maybe a little bit more simple.
Like this?
Because we had one yesterday.
But then there's this one too. Yeah. You've got this.
I like this one.
That one's cute.
Yeah,
I don't know. But I'm definitely getting one of these because it's so cute. Okay, so here are all the mugs, and honestly, you guys, I'm a little disappointed. But we're going with the one that I saw earlier. At least I found those ones, but I am a little disappointed by the mugs that they have here. Okay, so we found, yeah, I know. We found these right here, French vanilla syrup to put in our coffees. They also have salted caramel, although I'm just noticing that the salted caramel is 100 calories, and then the French vanilla is 0 calories. So I think I'm just gonna leave the salted caramel. We're gonna do French vanilla, and then I got this cup right here. I got some mangoes already cut up. I'm getting some chapstick because I'm out of mine and I desperately need some. Like, I cannot wait until we get back home. And then we got some little ice cubes, like round, like big round ball ice cubes and square ice cubes, but I don't know which one we're gonna do. If we're gonna do just like the one out of the two, or if we're gonna do both. I'm not sure. Did you want to get both ice cube things or just one? Because one is big squares and the other one is...
Oh, I didn't even... I thought they were... Oh.
Yeah,
I mean,
they're like $10 each.
Yeah, whatever. Why not?
So we're gonna get both. I'm putting back the salted caramel because it's 100 calories. The French vanilla is 0. Big Target haul. I've got my brother holding my bag right now, but yeah, we've got another big Target haul, I guess, that I'll do a little later to show you guys everything that we got. But we did get mangoes, so I'm gonna eat those mangoes in the car. So I'm kind of hungry, and then we're gonna probably stop at Chipotle. I want Chipotle for lunch. She's thinking maybe Panera Bread, but I want Chipotle. So we're gonna find like somewhere that has like Panera Bread, Chipotle, and we're gonna get some lunch in like probably an hour, but we're gonna start making our way back home now. And decided against the Starbucks. I don't need the caffeine right now, and I already had coffee this morning. All right, we just had lunch at Popeye. It was really good, and now we are heading home. I am so excited to go home. I feel kind of tired from the whole trip, which is, I guess, a good sign in a way. Like, right, if you're tired. What did you think of Popeye?
It was so good. The
really
chicken
good.
there is so tender.
And it's like real chicken. That's what I like real chicken, and like it's like fried chicken, and it's really good, like fried chicken.
And the fries were good too.
The mac and cheese, Alex got mac and cheese. I don't know if you got to taste, but the mac and cheese is so good as well. Yeah, but I'm kind of excited to go home and eat like regular food. I'm like so done eating out right now. I just want to go back home and eat regular food. But yeah, we're heading home. We're gonna go see our cats. I'm so excited. I miss my cat so much. She misses her cat too. And just excited to go home. It's like, I think it's like almost 2 maybe, I don't know the time. Yeah, it's 1:30, so we'll probably leave within the next 5 to 10 minutes. And then we have like, I think 2 hours until we make it home, really depending on how long the borders are. And then we'll be home by like 3:30, maybe 4 o'clock, which is fun because then the sun doesn't set until 7. So
all our afternoon
to like just get ready for the week and all of that. So very excited about that. And I don't have to cook because we have leftovers of everything. So that's
so many leftovers.
I know, like that's just perfect. And we got so much stuff at Trader Joe's. Like Alex and I got a lot of stuff at Trader Joe's, so we're gonna probably eat something from there. Like we don't have enough food for dinner, so
I gotta go.
ready to go home?
Oh, yes.
Ready to go home.
I guess. No trailer?
Okay, we're back home after a long day of travel, and I am so excited to go through everything that we got. So we've got some Target, some Hollister, Trader Joe's, and another Target bag because we did go to 2 different Targets. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the Hollister. It's not mine, it's Alex, but the stuff that we got is so cute for him. So I definitely recommend checking it out. We got him this button-up shirt for the summer. I think this is gonna be so cute, and it's kind of a linen material, but like not quite. It's really, really soft. And then we got him these black shorts. These are the Hollister jogger short in 7-inch. And that's all we got from Hollister for him. I'm actually really excited about these. They're so cute, like even though they're not for me, so cute, and he's gonna look really cute this summer. Let's start with the Target one from today. I got the mug that says good morning for my morning coffees during the spring, summer, and honestly any season, but this is like a versatile mug, and I'm gonna associate it with spring and summer. Although as soon as summer comes, I'm probably gonna start doing iced coffees again, but in the meantime, we've got this cutie little mug. We got some ice cube things. One is like giant like cube ice cubes, and then the other one is just like ball ice cubes. So we got both of those. We got some chapstick. We just needed it, so grab that. And then I got the French vanilla syrup from Torani. So very excited to try the French vanilla. When we were in Florida, Alex's aunt had the caramel one, and it was really good. So I'm excited to try the vanilla one. And then Alex got a case of Blue Moon mango beer. So that was from today, and the Hollister was yesterday. Okay, next, I got some mangoes earlier and we snacked on them. We still got some left, so I'll probably keep snacking on them during the day. We got this, oh my god, it's all squished, but these Kodiak protein brownie mix. Very excited to try these. We saw them all over TikTok, so very, very excited. Alex got a blue raspberry prime drink. Oh no. I got 2 candles, but this one has blue from the prime thing, like the can. And then this one was on top of this one because someone didn't put the bags in properly. Anyways, this one was on top of this one in the bag, and I guess we just forgot to not leave it on top, so there's like some wax under it. I'm gonna have to wash that. But it's the sandalwood and clay candle, the big one and the smaller one, and it smells so good. Like my whole apartment is gonna smell like this during spring and summer, and I'm so excited about it. And I think Alex got some teas, or like he took some teas, I'm not sure. Honestly, he paid for everything without me being at the cash register with him, so let's get into Trader Joe's. The first thing is the sweet potato gnocchi, which I've heard so many good things about, so I'm very excited to try those out. We got 2 different dips. We got a buffalo style chicken dip and a artichoke and jalapeno dip, which both sound so good. You guys, I got my hand on the non-dairy oat creamer brown sugar flavor. I got 2 of them, and literally everything was on sale when we were there, so it was just like perfect. We paid like $25, like I don't even remember, like $30 or $25. $23 for everything that we got. And we also got 2 chicken soup dumplings to try out at some point. And that's everything that we got. Very excited about everything. I had so much fun during the weekend. I know I didn't vlog too much. I definitely would have loved to vlog a little bit more, but it is what it is. We just had so much fun together, and it was a very like go 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 kind of weekend, and overall such a great experience. I'll have the hotel that we stayed at linked down below if ever you guys are interested. It was such a great hotel for 5 people. I swear you could have been 6 in there as well, and you would have been comfortable. So I definitely recommend. I'll have it linked down below. It was the Spring Hill Suites by Marriott in Syracuse, and it was pretty close to everything. It was 15 minutes from the Destiny USA Mall. It was 10 minutes from Olive Garden, 10 minutes from the Trader Joe's, from Target, so it was super close to everything. And yeah, it was just overall such a fun weekend, and I'm excited for many more weekends like this to come. Anyways, I'm gonna put all this stuff away because there's just so much stuff on the floor.